New video on our YouTube channel Gronify. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to analyze your data. You must have been using Excel sheets, Power BI, or Tableau to analyze your data and create some quick analysis. In this video, I am going to show you how, with the help of ChatGPT, you can do it very easily. I'm not recommending you to use this all the time, but to understand your data quickly, to get a sense of the data, or probably get some idea about what all dimension you should consider, you can use ChatGPT. The version that I am going to use of ChatGPT is the free version. It depends on you how much utilization you have. Depending on that, you can either use the free version or the paid version. And the GPT that I am using for this quick demo is the custom GPT. So what I am going to do is, this is the ChatGPT web interface. I am going to use ChatGPT, right? And here you could see bunch of options. One is this Explore GPT. Once you click over there, you will have many options, right? These are the custom GPTs that you can use. Let's quickly search data and analytics. Once you will select data, search data, you will find a lot of GPTs here, like data analysis and report AI, advanced data analysis, and so on. They are developed by different companies, and those are available over here. You could use any. Those are quite good, but for our demo purpose, I'm going to use this advanced data analysis. Once you click, it will give you a pop-up option which says who has built it. So this is like developed by community builder. They might be a developer. It says advanced data analysis assistant offering insights and guidance, having 100,000 plus conversations and 4.1 rating based upon 1000 plus ratings, right? This seems to be a good option. They have some conversation starter as well. It shows you the capabilities. So it does web search, code interpreter, and data analysis, image generation, and a lot. So I'm going to start using this. So I'll just start, right? And here it says what all I can do. So let's right jump into the content. So what I'm going to do is, I'll upload an Excel file which has some information. It's a sample file that I downloaded from the internet. So let me just upload it and then we will talk remaining. So I'm going to choose my data set, which is this file example xlsx 5000.xlsx. Please remember to use this correct file format. There are some GPTs which may not support the older version of Excel file, which is XLS. So you might get an error, or you might have to install some additional extension. So please be mindful about it. Now I am saying, please analyze this data. Now ChatGPT will start doing its magic. So it says, I look at the data at the moment, let me review the file, and it says analyzing. You can click here and says like, what all codes have been running as well. So it's using Python. Okay, so it says like it has uploaded the file, then it's reading the data, and then it's simply parsing and showing top record. So head function it is using, which is for top 5 record of the data, which looks like this. So sheet 1 is the sheet in Excel, and there are a bunch of columns like unnamed, then first name, last name, gender, country, age, date, and ID. So this information it has shown me. Then it says the data appears to be a structured table format from the first sheet containing following columns. It also tells you like what kind of data it is, right? Like for example, date information is in dd/mm/yy format. Then it's asking you to for some of the actions, like would you like me to provide descriptive statistics of numerical fields, or explore data distributions, or investigate trends? What do you want to do? So let's say we want to see the distribution of persons by age groups. So I'm saying, show me the distribution of person by age group. Now it should summarize and give me the data. It might take a bit depending upon the size of the file, but it should give you all the correct information. So it's still taking a bit of time, but yeah, here it is. So now it's giving you like distribution of persons by age. So you could see there is no person below 19 age, and there is no person above 65. Everyone else is in this between, with the highest count for the age range of 26 to 35. And it gives you some details also. Here is the distribution of individuals by age group. The plot clearly shows the number of people varies across age ranges and all those other details. Now let's say I want to convert this bar chart into a stacked bar chart. And for the stacking, let's say I want to use maybe the country column, right? So let me ask this. Make the above bar chart a stacked bar chart by country. Let's see if it's able to make it or not. Ideally it should. So it's all the game of how good you are writing a prompt is nothing but the questions, right? So how good you are writing the questions. So now it says distribution of persons by age and country, and you can see it has clearly able to create it. And the legend here shows you the color combination. So blue one is France, the brown one is Great Britain, and the little lighter one that you are seeing is your United States. Okay, you can ask further questions as well. Further questions in the sense like maybe if you want to find some correlation between, let's say, age and gender, right? It will show you. So let me ask, find correlation between age and gender. See if it's able to find something meaningful. So it says to find the correlation between age and gender, we need to approach it carefully since gender is a categorical variable, right? So it's not going to give you something random, but instead, see here, it gave you quite a good box plot which shows you how the correlation looks like. So correlation is minus 0.14 between age and gender. So for female, you could even see some upper outlier as well. For male, the data looks good. So this way, depending upon the data that you have, depending upon the problem statement you have, you could do a quick analysis and get your data in a in a good understanding. You will have a good understanding. And now, if you want further, you can keep asking the questions, or you can take it from here and do the analysis in the way that you want. The good thing is you will be able to see how the analysis is being done. Like for example, I showed you here, right, in Python. Similarly, everywhere else you can also see. If you want this particular feature, like this Python code available, you can say always show details, right? So now whatever question you will ask, it will keep showing you the details around it. Okay, now I'm not asking you to do this all again, right? Or probably just use ChatGPT for your work, but it's a good idea to get an understanding of your data, and then further you can keep doing your work. If you want, you can use these charts as well, and can use it anywhere. It says share also, so you could share this with others as well. So that was a quick introductory video to analyzing your data using ChatGPT with the free version, of course. You can explore further GPTs as well for your work, right? Like for example, I'm looking for report builder, so you will have a lot of GPTs which will be a report builder. So it will give you a great visualization. So let me ask, instead of report, let me ask visualization, and see if it has some dedicated GPTs for your visualization. See here, data visualization expert, Excel data analysis and visualization, data extractor and visualization tools. A lot of GPTs are there. You could explore these and minimize your time that it takes to do these kind of reporting and visualization, and also will help you a lot in doing some quick analysis. So that's it for this video. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel and